My name is Eric Ongeri Mienda. I'm the CC in charge of sports, youth, and gender in Kisii County Government. I do not want to say much, but I want to congratulate all of you for the move that you made to come and participate in this event. And as it were, chess is a game of the intelligent. So I believe all that are here are smart minds. And Our Excellence the Governor today participated in chess. That means we are also an intelligent county. I wish you all, and those who are proceeding, we wish you all to succeed in other endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Pigia makofi. Pigia makofi.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. When you are starting to plan this, Your Excellency, your staff really supported us. Our team was supported and they ensured that all the logistics here was supported. And he's the one who assures that you will be with us today. And indeed, just the highlight of this event, we had 3,117 participants from the age of 8 to 18. And out of this, we had 12 champions who won the last time. And at the end of this event, only 3 have survived. We have new champions who will be recognized in this event. Your Excellency, you are the best in the country. Our duty is to ensure that you go and defend the country in international arena. The champions will be declaring today will be representing Kenya in Africa Youth Chess Championship in Egypt come September. We also have a team which will represent in Georgia in June, starting from 12th. So we have a team. Yes. We have a team that will be leaving in June, just from the participants that we have had today. So as we speak now, we are speaking to very important people who will be carrying the flag of this country in the international event. And mine is just to wish them all the best and congratulate all who have done the best to win. This time, we have been supported by the county security who have been here 24 hours to ensure that security is guaranteed. All the participants are guaranteed of their safety. We have the OCPD here. He can just stand maybe and wave to you, because without him, the security here will have not been possible. Asante sana. Asante sana. We recognize you because you didn't just send your team, but you have been here all the day to ensure that we are safe. Because of time, and we want to see who are the champions, to invite you, Your Excellency, to come and trace the participants and at least give them word of encouragement. Asante sana. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. President, Chess Kenya, and all the good evening. Hebu tusalimiane hivi nione kama kila mtu ananiona. Asante. Allow me, one, I have my 2 tutors, two or three. But these are the people who are teaching me yesterday on how to make moves. Of course, you afforded me an opportunity today. I defeated the champion. Thank you. And there is Mr. Champion Kenya. Where is he? Yes, yes. He's over there. Also, in the evening, I don't know if it was intentional, I defeated him. Though I had my team, we were moving as a team against him. Therefore, that's to beat him. Allow me to make a few remarks. Then I want to engage the young ones. The young ones, I want to engage them. I want to see how many who come from Kisii by show of hand. Wale wanatoka Kisii wote, mkono juu. Ah, okay. Nairobi. Wow, you are many. Western region. Western. All right. Nyanza. Nyanza as a whole. Okay. Rift Valley. Good. I can see few Northeastern. Northeastern, yes, I can see few there. East, all of Eastern. Eastern, Ukambani, yote hiyo maneno, iko wapi? Yeah, for those ones who come from Western, Eastern, Northeastern, this is how Kisii is. It rains 10 months in a year. 10 months, only 2 months. Ukiweka pamoja hivi, utapata kwamba mbili ndio hainyeshi. Kwa hivyo, this is how Kisii has been. Allow me to make these few remarks. Before again, I said earlier, I engage the youngsters in many other things that I want to do today. My name is Simba Arati, the Governor Kisii. I was a member of Parliament in Dagoretti North, where the champion comes from. Where is he? What was his name? Yeah, that gentleman. He is actually from next to my office in Ikleleshwa. Eh? Huyu hasa amekuwa rafiki yangu na nitaonyesha nyinyi vile anakuwa rafiki yangu. Mara ya kwanza, mara ya pili nikashinda yeye. Thank you. Thank you. This gentleman comes from my former constituency and is, I'm told, and is going to present us somewhere else outside the country. Wewe utakaa hapo, nitaongea na wewe. Allow me to President, Chess Kenya Federation, Mr. Bernard Wanjala, Chairperson Schools Category, Safina Kenyando, national and regional officials, all participant players, sponsors and trainers, county officials, our visitors from other counties and countries, because I'm told there's a team from outside the country, which is here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to attend and officiate the National Youth Chess Competition. This being the first event to be held here in. Indeed, chess is a growing sporting discipline in the country, and I thank the organizers for choosing Kisii County to host this year's National Youth Championship. This will help create awareness that chess is an important sport activity in all aspects, just like athletics. So, goes a long way to demystify chess as a sport activity for everyone and not for a select few. I'm aware that over 3,000 participants, comprising both girls and boys, turned up for this event, the highest event now registered in chess competition, attributed to chess in schools program that has taken root in every part of the country. It is important of chess game not only to help instill continuity to to the chess as sport, but also as a way of training the young ones to improve cognitive skills like memory, planning, and problem solving. Chess also inculcates the spirit of concentration, focus, and social relationship in developing among players, and this is the all such values as creativity and better planning skills for ultimate success. That part from emerging or engaging in the school children is the meaningful chess sport as a possible career path. The Chess Kenya Federation has also initiated the education sport program for a number of school children to cater for the children education needs, and this cannot be gainsaid. Imperatively, sports are integral in national development, and as Kisii County government, we always endeavor to lend support so as to help the participants to build an venture for employment creation. As a county, we fully recognize Chess Kenya Federation for the contribution you are making towards the development of the sports, which also a devolved function. As you are aware, the sports subsector today contributes a great deal to the country's socio-economic growth. And it is our responsibility to ensure that we nurture and support talent development in all spheres. For instance, apart from bringing together persons from different parts of the country, thereby enhancing, it has also helped jolt hospitality, including our industry in Kenya as well in Kisii. It also provides an opportunity for those who haven't had an opportunity to visit Kisii to come around and tour this region. I understand that also we have a team from Greece who have come to participate in this competition. I allowed the Chess Kenya Foundation for considering on a county relations basis. I'm aware that away from Nairobi, similar events in Murang'a, Elgeyo Marakwet, Kisumu, and the Mombasa counties. And so the county government of Kisii has not been left behind in the promotion and development of the sport. It is for this reason that we are inviting further conversation with the Chess Kenya Federation in a bid to forge ways to we can employ to develop, promote, and undertake chess among our people. Mr. President, I wish that next year, because I didn't know about this one, you allow me this event here. I will do better. I'll do better. So I put some marks and awards that we can compete against. It's my prayer, Mr. President, if you consider the team, you can do a repeat in Kisii. Going forward, we need to partner with the Federation to help mainstream chess in our sports program within the Department of Youth, Sports and Culture and Arts. To this end, we are working towards establishing basic training amenities like indoor games, courts to promote sports through training and competition. We may also consider to avail sports equipment like chessboards and other facilities to schools, clubs in the county in our forward budget. Finally, I thank you once again for visiting Kisii, and I look forward for the National Chess Champion, which I have already invited to consider again holding it here in Kisii next year. Mr. President, if you look around, even the babies, they are happy to be here. You'll be surprised that but Kisii alone is secure by the way of people doing many things. I know there are parents here. Parents, those who are interested, invest in Kisii. There is many opportunities in investing in Kisii. Today, let us invest in the babies who will be there. I was asking, I don't know how many are we today. You'll see every baby walking out of this place very happy. Very happy. Hawa watoto hata inaitwa nini? Sweet bananas hawajakula. Mmekula sweet bananas? Leo lazima mkule hapa. Ni wangapi wanajua miwa ya Kisii vile ina test? Wengine hapo utabeba miwa mzima. Utajuaje huko Kisii ama vipi? Nitaleta. Sawa. Allow me. Mr. President, allow me to, I don't know, because of, I think this rain may be coming. Ukinikubalia haraka ndio tuanze. Nataka kupeana zawadi kwa yule ambaye nilishinda na akanishinda. Have any okay. And the best children?
Yes. The best children. We'll do very quickly.
All right. Give us another mic. You can go ahead. Yeah.
The chief actor, where are you? Come on board. Your Excellency, we have 12 categories, and it's a moment of truth now. We want to invite all the winners, and usually we have the main referee. We call them arbiters, who are the owner and custodian of the result. In your speech, you have challenged us. You are the first governor and I'll discuss with my team, and I can promise that we'll give you a good feedback. Thank you very much. Karibu Bwana Chief Actor.
All protocols observed. Good evening. I would like to first of all say thank you to our governor for taking his sweet time to come and be with us. The Federation, parents, students, thank you for coming for the event. My first event that I've had to arbitrate over 3,000 kids. It was overwhelming, but from the cooperation of all the parties, the event is a success. And I hope we'll have more of like the same events. Now, to save on time, I'd like to dash straight and 8 girls at position 3 with 7 out of 8 points. We have Tabitha Makina.
Tabitha. Hi, baby, come up here. Come up. Hey. Wanajua kitu yanafanya. Oh, you want to turn it? Oh, turn it around. Tabitha is number?
Position
Number 3. Here, Tabitha.
Position 2, we have Jidarudo Achieng Otri. Jada. And the overall winner for under 8 girls with the maximum points goes to Preacher Lisa Amanda. At position 2, we have Nathan Baraka with 7 points. Maximum points goes to Nathaniel Manyeki from St. Bakitas. Mushoki from Plainsview Academy with maximum points.
Can you clap for Kagoro? That is so wonderful.
The African champion.